I'm at the Hollywood Mirage in the Beverly Hills area of Los Cristianos. So we've got the Hollywood Mirage there, the Beverly Hills Heights and the Port Royal Hotel. I'm going to show you how to get to the waterfront, Los Cristianos promenade. Now if you're staying here, they have buses on that will take you down to the front and back again. So you might want to use that. So we're going to go down this way. Just one big long hill. But thankfully for this video we're going down it. Going up it is a nightmare. I must say, see some of the rooms, you must have some really good views. You can't really see too much because of the buildings and that, but if you're in one of the higher ones looking over, the view must be spectacular. So I'll just come down here. I enjoy being a YouTuber, but sometimes it can be frustrating. And it's scorcho weather, absolutely scorcho. Taps off weather, as Scotsman Kevin would say. If you're watching this video and you're enjoying it, can I just recommend you check out Scotsman Kevin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel first, but you want a Tenerife expert, he's your man. You know what I mean, he really is, he knows his stuff. Half the time I'm just winging it. No, I do know a fair wee bit about Tenerife and Los Cristianos, but nowhere near as much as that man. So that's my wee tip for you. And he's a really nice guy. And this takes you to the Mirador Strip. And the Pasarella shopping centre. Over there, the Attic Bar, that's the Pasarella shopping mall. At the top you've got a kids area. Down on the bottom floor you'll get your cigarettes and alcohol. There's a good wee shop there for that, and there's a supermarket. Here we've got the Hooks Bar. It's closed today. This is a Highland Paddy. Again, there's a better view of the Pasarella shopping mall. If you fancy a Chinese, there's the Overseas Asian Bistro. Highly recommended, food in there's amazing. Next to that, there's Wee Chemist, then there's Chicago's. It's like a sports bar, I think. They do live music as well, so it's really good. The walk down's great, but I wouldn't want to walk up there. Get the bus, or what I did, just get a taxi. Taxi, including tip, it's €5. Without tip, it's about €385, I believe, something like that. So it's actually quite reasonable to go up there. So for me, I would just get a taxi. And to be honest, I'm only doing it once. So I'll just briefly show you the Mirador Strip. I might as well, we're on the way. Now I've done this in countless videos because of various hotels that I've done. Just up the road is the Paradise Park Hotel, I've done a wee walk through there. There's a couple of ones there. So we've got the Chinese, that's shut until the 16th of July. There's Gigi's, open at the moment. Oh, it's open, I think, guy. That's open. Victoria. Dylan's bar's just coming up. This guy's going to say hello to me, I think. Wait to see us, wait to see if he does it.
The head's not this shape underneath.
Oh, is it not? I thought it was.
No, he does say anything there. He normally does say something when I walk by. Here's Taylor's Lounge, that's a sports bar. I think they do live music as well. An Italian restaurant. Here's the Indian. 3-course meal for €14.95. Unfortunately, the Mongolian barbecue is closed. I really want to try this, and it was shut the last time I was here. So I guess I'm going to need to wait until the next time on Tenerife, and hopefully it won't be too long, and hopefully it'll be one of the cooler ones, because this is absolutely boiling. Maybe come back in January. You go down here, right to the bottom. It's a straight road that takes you to the waterfront, but I'll show you a few things on the way. You can get a massage there. I think it's beautiful as well. Supermarket. They do Raffaella ice cream in there. You need to try them. They're really good. The Raffaella ice cream thing. It's a tradition for me and Jacqueline when we go abroad to Spain. Well, the Canaries as well. I don't know if they do it anywhere else. I've not seen it anywhere else, but they do the Raffaella ice creams, and Jacqueline loves them, and I quite like them as well. So we always get one, and sometimes it's hard to get them, and that shop has them. So, and we're just round the corner at the Marwai Sol Hotel, which is a hotel for disabled people. Those that don't know, my wife Jacqueline is a wheelchair user. She has cerebral palsy. So that hotel's ideal for us for a few reasons. Number one, the pool's amazing. Number two, it's halfway up Cardiac Hill, so when you're going up for your dinner, you can rest in a hotel for a wee bit, and then when you're going for a night out, if you're going to the Mirador Strip, it's just there, so it's quite handy. Now, some rooms at the Marwai Sol take you out onto this bit. If you're at the back, you can, there's like wee gates, wee access bits, you can come down this way. Now this time we are nearer the main entrance, which is on the other side, so we can't really do that, but well, we can't, but it's handy enough for us either way. Now I've been walking for about 13 minutes to get to this point. I will edit it out so a wee bit, so it will be a shorter video, but it gives you a wee bit of an idea of the time. So basically about 15 minutes and you're at the waterfront if you're a fast walker. This is Charlie's Bar and Restaurant. They do a really good deal here. It's 3 courses, €14.95. You get a starter, main course, a dessert, some basic things, but the food is really nice, and they do entertainment. It's not too busy at the moment, but it was busy last night. Just some of the shows there, it's a wee bit busy as I was walking past there. People walking by me. There's a Elvis comedy show on, a Rod Stewart tribute. So we have been in there and seen a couple of acts, and it's a good enough place to go. There's a few more wee restaurants up there. Up there's the X10 Big Sur. It's a wee mini shopping centre. I don't think there's really much in it, to be honest. I've not been in it this time, but I was in the last time, and I don't really think there's much. I think there's a food place upstairs. In fact, there is a food place upstairs. I think it's a kind of chicken place, KFC style type thing. Here we are, we've almost made it. There's a wee bit of shade here. Oh, it's good to get in the shade. There we go, folks. Nearly at the waterfront. And I'll give you one final tip in a wee second. Wait till you see this. Now whenever I come down here and I'm doing a video, I always do this because I think it's worth doing. There's a wee restaurant over there called Rosario. I don't know if you can see it. Me and Jacqueline, we go there all the time. It's our favourite restaurant. So if you're in Los Cristianos, that's a real hidden gem, I think. Other people might disagree, they might think go to a different restaurant, but it's the one me and Jacqueline like. The food was nice, the staff were lovely. I really liked it. So anyway, that was the Hollywood Mirage to the Los Cristianos beachfront, and I mean, just look at this, look how beautiful it is. Well, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also check out Scotsman Kevin's channel. I'll leave a wee link in the description. If you've never heard of Scotsman Kevin, don't worry, click it, subscribe. You don't need to watch a video, subscribe it. You're going to love his videos, he's great, and if you come to Tenerife, he's the man, okay? But do check out my videos, because I'm not bad, I think. I'm trying. Anyway, thanks very much and I'll see you later. Bye bye.